Hello everyone and welcome back of day 2 of learning how to sign Light of the World by Lauren Daigle. We are just a few weeks from Christmas, so we are enjoying our Advent season learning how to sign some Christmas songs. Yesterday we learned how to sign verse 1 in the chorus, and today we're going to learn how to sign verse 2 and the bridge. Remember, nothing changed overnight. I am still left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, there's a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so this starts with a drought breaks with the tears of a mother. So drought, kind of make a hook here and pull it across your chin, okay? The drought breaks with the tears of a mother. So if you have time, you can do with like this, and then tears, middle fingers showing the tears on your face. I don't know what it is about this sign. If I have no depth perception, but I am just scratching myself non-stop. Okay, tears. With the tears of a mother. Okay, hand open, tap your chin twice, mother. So the drought breaks with the tears of a mother. A baby's cry is the sound of love. Baby, okay? A baby's cry. Okay, so you have C's, cry. Baby's cry is the sound of love. And then come down, Emmanuel. So we're going to do from heaven to come here, come down, and then Emmanuel, we learned yesterday, E, making a sash. And halfway done verse 2, guys. Great job. Okay, he is the song for the suffering. He, God, is the song. It's the same as singing. You're having a melody over your non-dominant forearm. Okay, it's the song of the suffering. So for that, we're going to show with our middle fingers. Remember, that's the one where we have feeling. Oh, suffering. Okay, suffering. You can also do suffering like this. And then we did yesterday like this. There's a number of signs that kind of show, oh, I'm in pain, I'm hurting. Okay, so we're going to do suffering. He is the Messiah, the Prince of Peace. So we're pointing to God in heaven. He is the Messiah. So now instead of that E, we're going to do that M. Okay, so you stretch that thumb all the way over between your pinky and your fourth finger. He is the Messiah. And then for the Prince of Peace, then you switch to a P. Now normally P is down like this, but when I see people do it, you only need to go halfway. I mean, you can't be a K, but you don't have to be quite turned like this, okay? Prince, okay? He is the Prince of Peace, and we learned that yesterday too, right? Peace, hands together, switch them, and then down. Prince of Peace has come. He, pointing to God in heaven, has come, Emmanuel. Okay, let's try that a couple times together. That's everything for verse 2, right? Verse 1 was the hard part, and we did it yesterday. Okay, so the drought breaks with the tears of a mother. A baby's cry is the sound of love. Come down, Emmanuel. He is the song, suffering. He is Messiah, the Prince of Peace has come. He has come, Emmanuel. Now let's do it one more time, and then we're going to move on to the bridge. So the drought, remember that hook finger? The drought breaks with the tears of a mother. A baby's cry, the sound of love. Come down, Emmanuel. He is the song of the that was yesterday. Suffering, that's what we're doing today. Suffering. He is the Messiah, the Prince of Peace, the Prince of Peace has come. He has come, Emmanuel. Okay? And then it goes back into that chorus. And then right after the chorus, so the chorus is simply glory to the light of the world 4 times over, goes right into the bridge. For all who wait for your index finger touching your forehead and flipping it out. For all. Dominant hand going around your non-dominant hand. Okay? For all who wait, we learned that on the first day. Palms up, wiggling your fingers. For all who wait. For all who hunger. So for that, you make a C and you kind of go down to your stomach. Ugh, I'm hungry. For all who hunger. For all who've prayed. For all who wonder. So I've seen wonder done a couple different ways. Wonder, that's how I previously taught you. Some people like to do 2 different fingers kind of rotating. Okay, whatever you're comfortable with. Wonder. Okay, it's just, those thoughts around in your brain. For all who wonder. And then it goes, behold your king. So for behold, you want to show people where to look. Okay, look up there. Behold your king. Now we're doing a K. And then behold Messiah. So an M. Okay, and then Emmanuel. Okay, a lot of different names for God in this song. Let's try the bridge again. For all who wait, for all who hunger, for all who pray, for all who wonder, behold your King. Behold Messiah. Emmanuel. Okay, hit that wall behind me. Okay, let's try verse 2 and the bridge together. Okay, so the drought breaks with the tears of a mother, a baby's cry, the sound of love. Come down, Emmanuel. He is the song of the suffering. He is the Messiah, the Prince of Peace has come. He has come, Emmanuel. And then it goes into the chorus. And then after the chorus, for all who wait, for all who hunger, they hunger. For all who pray, for all who wonder, behold, and then I did your earlier, but I'm probably just going to go, behold the King, behold Messiah, and then Emmanuel. Okay, and that's everything that you need now for this song. So when I practice this as many times as you need to, and when I see you tomorrow, we're going to practice this song from top to bottom. Bye. God commands us in the Bible to not be discouraged. And I just want to remind you that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. So stick with it. You'll get there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.